Hello friends, what if I tell you now you can have a virtual assistant integrated in your PC? Yes, if you're using Windows 11, then you have this feature to use AI which is integrated in your system. You can do lot of tasks and you don't need to look for ChatGPT or Google Bard or any other chat AI tools to write emails, resumes, articles, search for informations, learn something and so on. All you need to do is watch this video till the end and that's all. You can easily learn how to use this tool which is integrated in your Windows, and you can easily use this and it is very accessible. Yes, all the buttons are almost labeled and you can use this tool for your multiple purpose. You can ask this tool to write emails, resumes, search informations, write tutorials, write essays, do grammatical mistakes. Check grammatical mistakes, not do. Check grammatical mistakes, and also this AI can help you to generate image. So what are you waiting for? Stick to the video till the end. Rattle this site from VI Tech Academy. Without liking this video, let's start. The tool name is I'll reveal the tool name later. Before that, to use this tool, you must use the Windows 11 latest version and you must have a Microsoft account. You can create a Microsoft account using your Gmail account. Go to Microsoft.com, or if you are using Windows 11, you might have a Microsoft account which you have to use to log in your Windows. So if you have, then it's okay. If you don't have, you can create now. Also, you can create the same by logging to bing.com from the Edge browser. Now let's reveal the AI name. Okay, before reveal the AI name, I would like to share one more important news with you. If you are not able to understand English properly, you can visit our Hindi channel. There we are uploading videos on regular basis and we have crossed 100 subscribers in our Hindi channel. So congratulations to those people who have subscribed to this channel. Now if you want, you can also visit the channel. Link is given in the video description below. And one more news. As you know that Microsoft already discontinued its Cortana things. Instead of this, Microsoft has launched Windows new integrated AI system and AI chatbot which is Windows Copilot, and today we will learn what is Copilot and how you can use it. So Copilot is basically an integrated AI system which is designed by using various APIs of AI like ChatGPT 4 or the latest ChatGPT, and it has also an integrated system of Google's DALL-E AI which helps you to generate image just by writing prompts. So all these features you can use and you can also send any images to Windows Copilot and it will help you to describe. We will see these 2-3 features today in this video. Without much delay, let's start exploring. To activate this, okay, I'll tell you later. I have already activated. See, it has activated first.
Document unknown. Copilot preview.
See, Copilot preview.
Copy refresh button.
So I'm refreshing it.
Loading. List. Ask me anything.
Yes, it's now loaded. So let me. Okay. So now when it is loaded, you will get this.
Ask me anything. Edit
Ask
focus.
me anything. So when you are writing here, you will get the suggestion also. Just press tab and it will take. So let's say I'm going to search today's
no next landmark.
Today's top
Top.
Tech.
Suggestion. 10 news. Press tab. To
Tech
accept.
news. Okay.
Suggestion. Tech. Press tech. Suggestion. News. Press
Suggestion
tab. To
news. So
accept.
I'm pressing tab.
Suggestion. In India. Press tab.
Okay.
To accept.
In India. Okay.
Suggestion. In Hindi. Press tab.
No. In Hindi I don't need. Okay. So now I'm pressing just tab. And let's wait for the results.
Searching for today's top tech news in India.
So it is searching. It is not like an AI chatbot, but yes, you can
Generating
chat.
answers for you.
You can chat with this bot and you can get the answers. You have the like button, dislike button and copy button also. So please wait as it works in the current topics. So it may take time, but it will give you a generative answers. So please stick to the video till the end because we will show you more things. So if you want to check whether the result is coming or not, just go to your browse mode and press up arrow.
Blank. Out of edit clickable button. Out clickable button. Tell me more about Redmi Note 13 series.
Okay, so these are about some other suggestions available. So if you want, you can use it.
Clickable button. Get more relevant. To get missing image. This link in DianExpress.com.
Okay.
Link on no previous link.
So
But learn
see.
more. Region button. Heading level 2. Today's top tech news
Leave
in
it.
India.
Yes, today's top tech news in India. This
Searching
is
for
answer.
today's top tech.
Searching for.
Generating answers for you.
So still it is generating answers.
Clickable. Hello, this is Bing. I can help you find the latest tech news in India. Here are
Okay.
some of the headlines from today. Sony is introducing its second generation virtual reality headset, the PlayStation VR 2, in the Indian market almost a year after its global launch. Xiaomi India has revealed the launch date for the highly anticipated Redmi Note 13 series in India, and Adobe unveils Spectrum 2 and reimagines user experience for over 1
Okay, so these are the top results available. You can check it out. And I know you are very much familiar with ChatGPT and Google Buds. So this is why I'm not going to tell you in deep, because if you are familiar with AI, then definitely you can use it. If you're not familiar, you can watch our previous videos about ChatGPT and Google Bud.
Clickable. Ask me.
Now I'm going to give it an image and ask to describe it. To do so, I'm in the edit box. Now I'm pressing down arrow.
Out of edit toggle button. Not press. Use microphone.
So you can use this microphone button to send the voice commands. Now I'm pressing down arrow.
Clickable button unavailable.
Again,
Button, add an image to search.
add an image to search. So let me add an image. I'm pressing enter here.
Paste image or link. Edit. Paste image or link. Lang.
See, the new thing is here. If you have an image and if you upload the image to the Google Drive and you can share that Google Drive link here, then it can take. If you upload your image to WeTransfer and share that link here, then this bot can take. But I will give the image from the machine. Okay, so to do so, I'm pressing tab.
Upload from this device button.
Press enter.
Ask me any. Open dialog.
Let me find the image.
Item preview. Software and file level 1. This level 1. This PC expand level backups and prod level.
So let me find an image.
Items view list. Banner 2023.j. Logo AC 2024.png column 5.
Okay, so these are the logos and other
by
things
Tech Academy.
available.
Items
So let me find another one.
branding QR codes 3 web gallery 4 web QR achievements 1 QR code web items applying 1-to-1 training.j up web cover AC applying person
So let's see. I'm just pressing enter here.
document Windows Copilot pane document.
And now
List.
see.
Ask me anything.
My focus is come back to this edit box. Now here I'm just asking simple describe the image.
Suggestion. Describe. Press
So
tab to
already
accept.
suggestion is come. So now I'm pressing tab.
The suggestion. This. Suggestion. Image. Suggestion. In. Suggestion. Detail. Press. Suggestion.
See,
Please.
I'm
Press
using
tab to accept.
only. I'm just using only the suggestion and the command is written. See,
Describe this image in detail.
right? So and now I'm pressing enter and let's wait for the result.
Analyzing the image. Privacy blur hides faces from Bing chat.
So are you enjoying the video? If yes, please press the like button, because you are not pressing the like button and you are not also sharing the videos more and more. We are not getting the views. So please do this, because we are making videos for free. We are always trying to educate you for free. We are even not making any single
Generating
penny
answers
from
for you.
our videos. So generating answers for us. So let's wait a little bit.
Received message. This image shows a person
Listen.
wearing a purple shirt and headphones with their face pixelated. They are holding something in their hand, and there is a gray device on the right side of the image. Here are some possible interpretations of this image. The person is a participant in a research study or a survey, and they are using the device to answer questions or perform tasks. The face pixelation is to protect their privacy and identity. The person is a reviewer or a tester of a new product or service, and they are giving their feedback or rating through the device. The face pixelation is to avoid bias or influence from the product or service provider. The person is a gamer or a streamer, and they are playing a game or broadcasting their gameplay through the device. The face pixelation is to create a sense of mystery or anonymity for their audience.
Now you can easily understand, right? Now if I ask to write an email for leave application, then what it will give me? Let's see.
Right. Suggestion. A. Press tab to accept. And suggestion. Original. Press tab to suggestion. Essay. Press tab to accept. Suggestion. Email. Suggestion. 4. Suggestion. Leave. Press tab. Suggestion. 2. Press tab. Suggestion. Manager. Press tab. Suggestion. 4. Press. Suggestion. Leave. Press tab to accept. Suggestion. 2 days. Press tab to accept.
Okay, so 2 days.
Suggestion. Leave. Press tab to accept.
So now I'm sending it. So as you can see that I just use
Generating answers for you.
I just use the suggestion options, right? Now I'll also show you how you can copy that mail and you can use it in your professional
Received
purpose.
message. I can help you write an email for requesting a leave to your manager for 2 days. Here is a possible template that you can use.
Okay.
Subject. Leave request for date and date to your manager's name. I am writing to request a leave of
So let's say I'm going to copy it. So I'm going to Bryce mode and I'm pressing up arrow.
Clickable button. What should I write in the click button? Show clickable button. What should I write
So
in
see.
the subject line?
See, some suggestions are there. So if you want, you can explore it.
Click button 3 of 30.
So just
Button copy.
I'm just copying it. Okay.
Copied.
Now I'm pasting it in a notepad.
Blank.
Let's read it how it looks.
I can help you write an email for blank text. Subject. Leave request for date and date. Blank. Dear manager's name.
See.
Blank. I am writing to request a leave of absence for date and date due to reason. During my absence. Blank. I apologize for any inconvenience this may cause and appreciate your understanding and support. Blank. Please let me know if you approve my leave request and if you need any additional information.
See, this is so simple. This is as simple as we need and as simple as we write.
You can modify this template according to your specific situation and tone. I
Okay.
hope this helps you write a professional.
So you can also give it a tone. Okay. And that's it. You can generate more better results. So you can also learn the prompt engineering. If you want about that videos, you can let me know in the comment section. If possible, then I'll definitely make those videos. Okay. Now we will create an image. We will generate an image. So let's say we want to generate an image of good morning with a sunflower and sun and a good nature. Okay. So I'm just asking this AI like Windows Copilot draw a picture
space
of
suggestion cat
sunrise with
US space
sunrise
double space with space double space in a suggestion
in a hill station. Okay.
With a beautiful suggestion sunset. Press tab to accept.
Not sunset, scenario I need, right?
Ask me anything. ES space suggestion screen. Press tab. Suggestion scene. Press tab to accept. C.
Okay, so I've just written this. Now I'm sending it. Okay, so generating image will take a little bit time because it's AI now.
Generating answers for you.
Not answers, it will help you to generate the image. So let us check.
Out of click a button image. Your image is generating. Out of image creator from Microsoft Designer grouping clickable.
So Microsoft Designer grouping. So this is the Microsoft Designer, which is a powered project which is used by Google's project called DALL-E. right?
List with 4 items. Link graphic
Now
A
see.
sunrise and link graphic A sunrise in a hill
This is-
station with a beautiful scene. Image 2 of 4.
This is the second image.
Link graphic A
This is the
sunrise
first
in a hill
image.
station with a beautiful scene. Image 1 of 4.
Okay, any image you can use. Okay, so let's say for example I want to download this image. To download this image, press enter here.
Load untitled. Loading complete. Bing.
So it will take you to this page, and here press B until you hear the download button.
Make a next complement or save but download button.
Click on download button and it will be downloaded to your desktop. So this is how you can easily download the image, and you can post it on social media. You can use it on project anywhere, whatever you want. Even there is no watermark for this image, but still if there is watermark in this image, still you can use that. If you give the credit to AI, still you can use that, because you don't need to wait for someone to create the video or create the image or find the image for you. You can do everything now in yourself, right? Now it's the time to reveal how you can access this. Just press Windows plus C to activate it, and that's all. You can use Windows Copilot for your all of the tasks. I hope the video is cool and all the features are cool. So I am finding this AI very useful, especially as a visual impaired. Let me know in the comment section what you think about it. That's it guys for today. See you in the next video soon. Till then, stay safe, stay happy, and stay motivated. Also stay with us. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.